Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam Fluid Revit tutorial. So in this session, we're going to show you another feature of Revit, which is the wonderful plugin from Revit, which is the Twinmotion here. So if you have Twinmotion installed, you will showing this tab here, Data Smith here. Then you can actually synchronize your 3D model into Twinmotion. So how to download the Twinmotion? You can go to the Twinmotion website, then you can download the Revit plugin for it to allow you to open in Revit later. Okay, so this is the website. You can download from here. Then after that, you can go back to your desktop here to open your Twinmotion. Then you just wait a couple of seconds, it will be open up. Okay, so one thing you need to remember is if you are in Revit 2024, you don't need to open your Twinmotion separately. Okay, it will be automatically open when you choose to open your 3D view through Twinmotion. There will be a separate icon over here. So since we are in 2021, we need to do another additional steps here. Okay, so it doesn't matter, you just quite similar steps. So after you open the Twinmotion, this is your user interface. Then you click on new scene. Then you can straight away enter this Twinmotion user interface. Okay, then the first thing you need to do is you click on this import. Then you click here, then you can see immediately the direct link setting source is showing this is the 3D model of your Revit file. Okay, you can click on import. Then this is your 3D model of your house, of your small apartment. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can do through the Twinmotion. It show you a very nice 3D view here. So this is the okay, we don't need this here, then we can straight away select all important object, then we move it away like this. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is you can always go to the ambience here to change your ambience. Like you want to change your weather to rainy days, you can change your weather to rainy days. If you want to change to snow, you can change your environment to snow. Okay, so that's very good. So this snowy day, so we change back to sunny day. Okay, so the next thing is you can actually click on this populate panel. You can change your populate your foliage, paint your landscape. Like you want a flat landscape, you can put in your grass landscape. Okay, like this. If you have want a slopey hill here, you can always click on this and this change your landscape. Okay, of course you can change your diameter. If you want smaller diameter, you can make a smaller extrusion like this. Okay, or you can just make a hole like this. Okay, so if you don't want, then we just undo it. Okay, next thing is you can actually go to library to change your material. If you want the glass material to be more presentable, you can change to glass material, clear glass. Then you can drop in to change your clear glass like this. Okay, so one thing is if you don't want your Revit trees here, you want more proper trees, you can go to the libraries here, click on trees. You can plant your own trees around here, any place here. Just plant it like this. Then you can actually click your trees to change the age of the trees. Okay, if you move here, you can move here. If you zoom in properly, you can actually see the leaf actually is moving. Okay, so that's how realistic it can be done. So next thing is if you want to change your Revit file, let's say I want to delete these trees here, delete furniture inside here, then you just click synchronize. Then immediately in Revit you will get a synchronized version of your 3D model. Okay, so that's how wonderful can be done. So next thing is you can also go to the library. If you want to change your tiles here, you can always go to the libraries here, material, change your tiles, marble or granite, you can change to marble or tiles. Let's say I want something tiles, looks like better tiles like this. Concrete tiles. Let's try concrete tiles. Let's place. Okay. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one. Make sure you are in here, then you change to concrete tiles like this. Then of course you can change the scale of your tiles. So this is how you change the scale, the rotation, bigger piece of tile. You can change the scale like this, okay? Then the next thing is you can always go to your library here. If you want to add object, like in your home object, living room, what you're supposed to have here, you can have some tables. Let's put some tables, dining tables. Put it somewhere here. So this will be your dining table. Let's put somewhere here maybe. Then I just pick some example for you, okay? So you can actually select your own. We have long list of items here available for you. Okay. Then next one, if you want to change, place a chair, sofa, you can always place a sofa here. Let's make a move here. Then okay, let's say I choose this sofa. I'm going to be a smaller sofa. Okay, let's say 2-seater sofa. Put somewhere here. It's quite big for me. Okay, zoom out. It looks okay. Then butt it on the wall. Make sure rotation is correct. Just butt it on the wall like this. So the coffee table, maybe you want the coffee table, then you just place somewhere here. Coffee table. Maybe this one, low table. Yes. Low table also, this one. This. Okay, then maybe your TV cabinet. Let's say I'm going to use this one. TV cabinet. Okay, butt it to the wall like this. Okay, something like this. So next thing is if maybe you want some plants here, you can place some plant beside your tables. Okay, put some plants so it look more natural. Put some bamboo here. What's the effect of bamboos? Okay, looks not very nice, but maybe you put it on balcony. Okay, so next one, maybe put some indoor plant like this beside. Okay, then if you feel the thing is quite large, you can actually scale it. Okay, you can actually scale it later. Just click on here. Okay, you can actually scale the project. Scale it. Let's say scale it to 50. 50. 50. Okay, you can have a smaller plant like this here. Move it here. So okay, The next thing is you can have some people around. Of course, you can still got a lot of things. You can decoration. If you want to add some decoration here, you can always do so. So to make your home to be more livable. Okay. Of course, then the next thing is you can add some character. There's funny things. Okay, pose. Animated human. If you have some animated human, you can put some human here. This lady is doing something here. Maybe it's in the doing some makeup here, but okay, it doesn't matter. Then let her face outside here, okay? Face to the mirror. The next thing is maybe a man here. A man, maybe someone sitting. Maybe go to the library here, character, then post, casual, then okay, a lady sitting here. Then you put some rotation like this, okay? Then maybe a man standing here, standing outside here. Oops, okay. Move it outside here. Outside the balcony here. Then you go back to here. Okay, like this. So that's how it can be done. It's very fast, wonderful, and then very nice presentation. And the next thing is maybe go back to library here. We try to add something else, like particle, water. Okay, some particles, some fire, something like this. If you want to add some fire here, you want most probably you don't need that unless you have some barbecue pit or something else. You can add some fire like this, okay? If you don't need that, then you try to delete that. Maybe you add some water jet like this. Taller water jet. If you have some water feature, you can add something like this, okay? So it looks more animated, okay? So the next thing is maybe you have some, let's say you want to add some vehicle. Then you can add some car over here. I'm parking outside. This. Okay, if you have some, let's say you want to add some moving cars here, like this, okay? I'm going back to here, library, okay, scene. Oops. Okay, way back to here. Then we click all ambience, okay. So let's say you want to add some moving object, okay? You can go back to here, the populate panel. You can actually draw some path of your, okay, you start to draw your path here. Okay, populate panel. Then populate the path. I want to choose some vehicle path. You can draw some path for your vehicle. So the car will moving like this, okay? Then you click enter, okay. Double click here, and you have your path like this, okay? So that's called motion here. You have motion here, and then actually you can see it from inside your building here, okay? So of course this then you can put somewhere else, like populate, go back to library. You can do some vegetation, then draw some trees here. Let's say I want to draw trees like this. I want to draw the trees one by one. It's okay like this. If you want to draw a group of trees, then you can always go to this populate panel. Then you can go to your foliage and then paint. You can actually paint a few types of trees here, depending on your diameter. Okay, you can put here. Let's say I'll select a few types of trees. Okay, this type of trees. Let's say draw one type of trees here. Then the second type of trees, maybe this type. Okay, so you will form a mixture of trees according to what type of trees you have selected. Okay, so for example, I want to plant something else here like this. So this is a set of trees that you are using. So if you zoom in then to your balcony here, then you see a nicer view with trees. Okay, so how you want to render your image, you can go to here to media dock. Here you can actually take a picture, then you can actually export panel, export your file, your image. Then you just click on your image, then you just, this is your image. Okay, select all, one image only. Then you choose your detail, then you can start export. Okay, you scroll down it, and then you can actually start export. Then export to your wherever. Select desktop folder, select folder, then you can start export. And then this is your image in the folder. So this is your rendered image. It's very high quality. Okay, with some very quickly you have some furniture, and then immediately make your rooms more lively. Okay, so that's easy and quick way for you to do some quick presentation. Of course, you also can export it in video format. For example, you want to create a video format, you can take the first photograph here, take some second photograph like this, third photograph. Then you can go to here, take another one, go to here, take another one like this. Then you can actually play your videos from the first one, then you play a video. Then you can export it. Okay, it's very difficult to see, then you just click here, then you can start export your videos. So I'm going to select video, make sure this video is selected. Okay, then you go to export, then it start to export your videos. Select folder, of course this one, then you select. Okay, after exporting your videos, you can go back to here, then you can check your videos. So this is your videos. Okay, the graphic is being beautified. Okay, this is suitable for your presentation. Okay, so there's still a lot of things that you can do by using Revit Twinmotion. As you can see, there's lots of tools here. When clicking it one by one, you can generate lots of images and then a wonderful presentation for your Revit project. Okay, so it's a very quick way for have a better presentation for your projects. Okay, this girl still doing her makeup here. Okay, So without waiting her, we end this session. Thanks for joining.